Hi everyone, today we'll be making an oatmeal hair deep conditioner. First I'll start by adding 1 cup of quick oats, and then I'll add 1 cup of water to that, and as I go along this process I'll add more water as needed. I think 1 part oats to 3 parts water should be good, so in my case that's 1 cup of oats to about 3 cups of water. I'm going to cook this on the stove for about 15 minutes or until the oats is very soft and mushy. After the oats is finished cooking, allow it to cool a bit, then blend the mixture in a blender until smooth. The mushier your oats, the smoother your blend will be. Now I'm just going to strain that through a strainer, and this is to remove any oats bits because we don't want this to be stuck in our hair, and you can strain it twice just to make sure that you get all the bits out. Now oats, they're great for soothing dry and itchy scalp, also great for moisturizing the hair and scalp, and it's also great for promoting hair growth. It's typically inexpensive and it's convenient as you can normally find it in many homes or you can easily find it at a grocery store. Now that we have this mix, this oats and water can be used by itself and it will be a great deep conditioner. However, I am going to go ahead and add some more ingredients to take this deep conditioner up a notch. Feel free to omit all or some of these additional ingredients. First, I'll add approximately 1 tablespoon of my herb-infused hair oil. Then I'll add about 1 tablespoon of honey. Then I'm going to add some essential oils, and I made my mix and just put it in this container. So I think this would be about 30 drops of essential oils. All the ingredients will be included in the description box below, so go there to check that out. Now I'm going to add a mix of hibiscus powder and rose powder, about 2 tablespoons each. Then I'm just going to thoroughly mix this to combine. And now that we have our mixture, that's it for this deep conditioner. Of course, as I mentioned before, you can add more water to get a looser texture, or you can adjust any of the other ingredients to suit your preference. Apply this to your scalp and hair from root to tip after you've washed your hair. Rinse out with lukewarm water and enjoy your moisturized and shiny hair. Now I'm just going to transfer this to a clean jar for easy handling when I'm in the bathroom washing my hair. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up below and subscribe for more DIYs. See you next time.